In today's video, I'm going to show you a healthy cooking routine so you can reset and start eating healthy today. This is definitely a breakfast that you need to be having every week because it has such healthy ingredients with the oats and the flax and walnuts, apples, bananas, and cinnamon and blueberries, and you can add whatever you want every week to vary it up, but there's definitely one to add to be getting some healthy ingredients to start your day. For today's lunch, I am going to be making a wrap out of these Ezekiel tortillas. You can use pitas. And when I worked in a restaurant, we used to make this recipe all the time. And it's so cool because you can make all kinds of different variations with whatever you have as a filling. So today I have just lots of little bits of vegetables, so just kind of grab whatever you have out of your refrigerator and it will all come together and you will enjoy it. So I got a little bit of red cabbage here, and I got a few different mixed peppers here, a little bit of lettuce. I'm gonna put some cucumber in. That's nice and fresh tasting. Some carrots. So just make a nice vegetable mixture with what you have. I made some homemade ranch dressing, but if you don't have homemade, go ahead and use your favorite ranch. What makes this good is to put some sunflower seeds in. I just made some fresh pickled onions, and these will be amazing on this wrap. Tonight's healthy meal, we're going to be making an Alaskan salmon sheet pan dinner. This is a super easy meal that you can put together, and on my tray I have zucchini and mixed peppers, onions, broccoli, and some potatoes. Now the important thing is that you use the kind of veggies that you enjoy, that you have in your refrigerator. You might want to add carrots or squash, corn, even mushrooms. So you have to be creative and use the things that you have. So let's get started on this easy healthy dinner. Now the potatoes are going to take a tiny bit longer than the vegetables because I like for them to be just a little more crisp. So to my baggie, I'm just going to add a little bit of seasoning. Use your favorite seasonings. I'm going to add some garlic and then a herb blend that I enjoy that they sell here locally, and a little bit of the Old Bay seasoning. And I'm just going to shake that up so that with the olive oil in there. I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven and let it start cooking, and then I will get the salmon ready. We were gifted a beautiful salmon fillet, and I made some homemade ranch dressing. And I'm just going to spread that on there. It has dill in it, so that's why this is just so good. Now salmon, remember, only takes like 15 minutes to bake at the most usually. So I'm just going to cover it and then seal up the foil. Alright, gonna go put it in the oven to finish cooking. Just got the salmon and all the veggies in the oven. I set it for 15 minutes at 400 degrees, so it will be done shortly and time to eat. Whoa, do you see that steam? Yeah. I actually had to put it in the oven a couple more minutes because the salmon was quite done, so it really depends on how thick your salmon is, but now it is looking done and absolutely beautiful. Look how absolutely delicious this looks. The salmon is done perfectly with the dill on it, with the dressing, and then all the vegetables are so colorful and vibrant and absolutely delicious. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video, having a day of healthy eating and cooking up some really great food that are not processed and that will do your body good. So till next time, happy cooking, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and especially comment down below.